Tired of your emails landing in the spam folder because they're coming from a generic Norply address? Let's ditch the impersonal and boost your brand by customizing your outgoing email address in Kvcore, improving deliverability and building trust with your leads. Starting with logging into your Kvcore account and navigating to the Marketing Autopilot section on the left-hand menu. Once you're there, click on the Campaigns option to expand the menu, then locate and click on Email Settings. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for the default sender email and sender name fields. This is where you'll replace the Norply address with a professional email address associated with your domain, like your name at yourdomain.com. Also, make sure the sender name reflects your name or your company's name for instant recognition. After you've entered your desired email and sender name, double-check for any typos, then carefully click the Save button to apply the changes. Remember that it's crucial to warm up your new email address and follow email marketing best practices to avoid being flagged as spam. Now you're all set to send emails that not only get delivered but also reinforce your brand identity, making a lasting impression on your leads and clients.